Abdurrahim Khan from Free IT Education. Today is a very interesting series of the video. If you are interested to create a desktop application using Python, yes, Python, using Python, and to create a desktop application, something which you can see here in this application, what you will learn in the coming lesson, where you will learn how to create an input boxes like these to put a value there. We will create how to draw a line based on these coordinates, the xy and xy, x1, y1, x2, y2, and then to rotate the line by giving an angle and also moving the line in a certain direction, scaling the line, and rotating a line at a certain point. If you have drawn something in that canvas and you want to clear it, how you're going to clear it, and if you want to reset the values of these input box, how can you do it? And last but not the least, if you want to close this desktop application, you can do, and creating all these buttons, this environment, this all you will learn in the coming lesson. So give you a small demonstration of this. So I want to draw a line. So I've given different x and y position. Let's say I want to give, let's say 100, and this is 100 as well. So what I'm basically doing, I have given x1, y1, x2, y2, and I want to draw a line. So as you can see that as I press the button, it drew a line. So that's the magic of something you will learn. There is all these things you will learn using Python. So there will be whole series about that, and we will learn step by step how these things works. And then once you have learned that, so you can apply this knowledge to an application that of your choice. And people studying in university also get these type of application. So this video series will help them to learn application of their choice in Python. So this is one thing. And now if I want to just rotate that to 45 degree, so I put a value in the 45 degree and I rotate a line. So I have rotated this line, okay. And then if I want to change it to 90 degree and draw a line, and that's rotated the line again. And now if I'm interested to move the line, so I can do, so let's see that this is moving the line. And if I want to increase the size of this line by 10 points, so I have put the increase line length by 10 units. And if I do that, is increasing, as you can see that. And if you want to decrease it, I put the minus value and it is going up, see that. And if you want to move the line, so you can move it. And now if you are interested to move this or rotate this line at a certain point, so we can say that rotate at a point. So this is another interesting thing. You would see that is a alert window. So how to make an alert window within a Python. So you will be learning about that, how to do that. And here we picked it up, the rotation angle 90 here, and we have picked it up that's saying that x2 and y2 will be, y will be 50. So we will rotate it, and with the rotation of 90 degree, and if you press OK, so that will rotate it at that certain point and rotation of 90 degree. So and if we want to reset all these values, so we will do that. So it will change all those values. And if you want to clear the canvas, remove this line, so we will do that, and then this will clear all that line. And last but not the least, if you want to close this application, so then we will be able to press the exit. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Like this video, subscribe to Free IT Education, and stay tuned. Stay tuned for future videos which are coming up soon, and we will learn all of that step by step, and it will be very interesting. See you in the next lecture. Bye for now.